Hey there, HISD, and good afternoon. I'm Trey Sedna. It is Thursday, August 21st. In this video, we're talking accountability, some important reminders for families regarding your information, Parent Square, and vaccine clinics. But let's kick it off with this week's Campus Close-Up, which is taking us to Pin Oak Middle School. And what a visit it was. So I got to talk to parents, teachers, and sit down with this awesome group of students for a roundtable conversation. We talked about life at Pin Oak, and they opened up about how supported and empowered they feel as they navigate middle school and start thinking ahead to high school. You don't want to miss this one. Check out our conversation on our YouTube channel right now. And while you're there, check out all the stories we're doing on Pin Oak this week. We're posting them in this playlist. And coming up tomorrow on the channel, hear from two Pin Oak moms and how they describe getting into Pin Oak, plus why they were so inspired to not only join the PTO, but to run it. You'll also hear from the school's librarian and how she's collaborating with teachers and students to make Pin Oak a truly one-of-a-kind and positive learning environment. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss those stories. And speaking of positive learning environments, you may have seen this video on our Instagram page. Madding Elementary's principal sharing with us how she felt when she found out that her school went from a D to an A. She also shared with us how teamwork and dedication helped them to get there. Take a listen.
Last year, our teachers were supported by the leadership team, which consisted of my assistant principal, and we also had a principal apprentice last year. We had one-on-one meetings with the teachers. We planned with them doing PLCs. We had demo days. We internalized lessons with them and helped provide any scaffolds and anything that they needed in class and to be successful. So demo days is doing PLCs where the teachers would actually come in and practice their lesson. They would go live in front of the admin team, and we would work through the lessons together, see what we needed to change and what we needed to make sure that they was presenting nothing but high quality instructions to our students.
And it's that type of teamwork and strong instructional leadership that's making a difference in HISD. That's why we're focused on making sure every campus has an effective principal in place, someone who can lead, support teachers, and build strong team culture. Check out this week's For the Record to hear more about how this is shaping the future of our schools. It's up on the channel right now. Now to some important reminders for our families, parents, whether you're new to HISD, coming back, or transferring in, every family needs to complete the annual student information update. You'll find the link right on our homepage at houstonisd.org. It's a quick and easy online form where you can update your contact details, health and medical information, and all those back-to-school consent forms. And you can do it all in one place. Now remember, filling this out is one of the ways to ensure that we can reach families in case of emergencies. And it gets you connected to Parent Square. This free app allows you to get updates from your child's school and the district via text, email, or through the app. All HISD schools started using Parent Square this school year. If you still have any questions about updating your information, we made and posted this explainer video. It's on our YouTube channel right now. Parents and families, if you need to get your child up to date on their vaccines, starting the week of August 25th, we're hosting vaccine clinics at several of our campuses. Take a look here. All clinics will be from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. Spots are limited, so you are advised to arrive early. For more information, call 713-556-1890. As always, thanks for connecting with us on HISD Now. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a good evening.